Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I just want to show you quickly, guys, how to install Python on your Visual Studio Code. Okay, to do so, we just first need to start Visual Studio Code, where we go into the search bar on our PC or laptop, and we just, if we don't have it here, you just type in Visual Studio Code and it should appear over here. Okay, so now when you see it here in front of you, there is a Visual Studio Code. Perfect, no worries at all. Now, if we want to install Python, we need to go to this extensions bar over here on the left hand side. And if you don't see those Python's icons over here, you just go and type in Python. Okay, after a few seconds, the Python should be visible over here. Perfect. And now, once you start, seeing which one if it's not installed, you just need to go and click install it here. Okay, I have it installed already, so I don't have to do it. But if you don't have it installed, you will have this install button just next to it, right? So bear in mind, if you install Python, Python debugger will be also installed automatically. And also pylons. Okay, pylons also will be installed with this. Okay, guys, that's a quick video. I just want to show you how to do it, so I hope you like it. If you did, please hit the like button, and thanks very much for watching.